In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily back up WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then tap at Settings. After that, get into Chats, and on the next screen you can easily find Chat Backup. That's where you can back up your chat history and media to iCloud, so if you lose your iPhone or switch to a new one, your chat history is safe. You can restore your chat history and media when you reinstall WhatsApp. You can make a backup right now by clicking at Backup Now, and also you can configure an automatic backup. To do that, just tap at Auto Backup and then select one of these options like daily, weekly, monthly, or if you want to turn it off, select off. That's how you can easily back up WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, and now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.